Lathe that I'm going to be showing you is a Vicmart BL300, which has a swing away tailstock. On this one there's a latch on the side to unlock the tailstock, and you simply swing it out of the way. Whatever model of lathe that you have, you just take your tailstock off. This may already be pre-assembled, but just in case it's not, this is what the base looks like. The only difference between the different units that you may have bought is the length of this column and the rotating pin. This one is for a 24-inch swing lathe, and this portion may already be pre-assembled, but if it's not, you simply drop the lever down into the hole. I would use the outside hole for most cases, and then you would start the little block that goes underneath and spin that with your finger, and it is going to actually go like this to lock it onto the lathe. This is the installation position so that it will drop between the lathes. So find your position, whatever that may be. I like to turn mine to where I'm toward the end of the lathe. It gives me the most room, and then you're simply going to rotate this into the cross position. I'll do that upside down so that you can see it. So the installation is like this, and then you rotate it like this, and then as you tighten it down, it'll lock into the gap a little bit. So drop it on, turn the block where it's crossways, put the lever roughly in the center, and lock it down, and you're all set. This you can loosen this up and rotate it around. You can put it this way, this way, this way, this way, any way that you choose to do it. Just make sure that you have metal from the base onto the bed of the lathe. You don't want to be like this where it can go underneath. So I prefer to turn it in this direction as long as I have room. Turn it crossways, center it up, lock it down, and you're done. Then your articulating arm hollowing system simply drops in here, and you lock your lever down. And of course you will have to adjust the height. Once you have that installed, then you simply take your kite. Yours will already have the arm installed. I've took it off just to give me more room, but it looks like this. And this goes in here. There's a flat side on it. And you snug that down, and you are all set. That's it. To take it off, I just simply loosen this up, take this off, loosen this up, take this off, loosen this up, turn it in line with the bedways, and take that off. If you have plenty of room on some of the regular length, like a 3520C or any of those longer lathes, your tailstock will be back here out of the way, and you have plenty of room here to do your install. And you simply come over, turn this in line, drop it down in here. Again, I would turn it this way, bring the block up, and snug it down, and you're all set. And you can take that on and off without having to remove your tailstock.